station, at York Station, so the at station, and you can see the train. My train's arrived at 11 o'clock, and here's my classroom. I don't know why the reason, but I'm actually at York Station. You can see right there. You can see. Look. Oh yeah. I just saw a train. It's a Great Northern. Wait, it's coming. Look. Oh my God, that's an diesel train. Oh, that's a diesel train. Look. I don't know if it's going on if they test the tracks. Because it's a class 66. I don't know why it's a double, because it's a double, so this is actually a diesel train. So guys, it's low. As you see, it's a train. That's an aluminum stop. So you can see they're just testing. Right there, see? Right there. You can see on the platforms. See the platform right there? This train goes. Alright, I can hear a cross-country train coming. Alright, I think there's a train incoming there. It's at cross-country. It could be a class 21. See, this is actually a train, see? Yeah, something like that. I don't know why my zoom up flashes like that. Alright, actually you can see right there. I don't know why the diesel train had arrived. I thought it was a sleeper train, but sleeper train operates at night. I think there should be upgraded express. Oh, I think it's cross county. Hey look, I took the one. Cross county. Wow. Cross county. Wow, cross county. See? Right there. Cross county. Wow, that's a lot. Now, see, now the two diesel train are leaving the York Station. And there is a cross county, but that train is going somewhere or is going to Blackpool. I'm not sure. So you can see the train. I can see the train is going to Liverpool Lime Street, but I'm coming, and soon I'm going to in Merseyrail for train. As you see, let me check other trains because the cross country arrived, and I'm not sure if it's Alania train is going to yeah, other cross country. Right there. Actually, you see there, train right there. Right there. Actually, why is there a train there? Wait, what? Did they change the destination? Actually, on three other trains. There's Northern and Trans-Penny Express. Oh look. Actually, I don't know why the reason was. Actually, oh look. I don't know why there's a train there, but across county is going about to leave. Why is it going to end on the other platform? Oh yeah, look, it goes into train. The train is about to leave. Look, it's gone. Wait, it's about to close. Sorry, it's blurry. It's blurry. Very nice train, but wow, train Penny Express. That's county. Look, that one is part of the train. On the train, because I have Amelia. Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah, look, a class 717 is dispatching. Look, see, a class 171. Yeah, it got dispatched as a diesel train. Oh look! I'm not sure if these are trains, but actually York is a nice station and it's old pretty old. Alright, this is the video. Bye.